Well, we have Memorial Day weekend and we have the Indy 500 race. Should be pretty exciting. What are your thoughts?
Oh, the Indy 500, it's one of the best races of the year. Very exciting to watch, similar to what we're seeing in the S&P this week.
Absolutely, absolutely. What are you seeing on the technical side?
Yeah, I mean, technically speaking, if you're looking back at the October lows, right around like 32.05, we're about 960 points off that low.
Yeah.
So we have seen the market, get a bit of a boost here over the past couple months. And if you're looking way back, looking at January of 2022, there is some overhead resistance going back from that level. Now, I think as we're going into the long weekend, we'll have to see where we close here today. But, an important level that I'm looking for next, if you're bullish this market, it's going to be that 42.27 and a quarter.
Yeah, that 4,200 level really has just acted as a key level of resistance in numerous trading sessions. We just failed to break out above there, so certainly going to be a key level. I mean, and just like these Indy 500 drivers are going to be trying to outperform each other, we saw a pretty big outperformer this week. The Nvidia semiconductor company, over 25%, positive territory for that company, really propping up the entire market. And we've still seen these corporate earnings, show positive results, still seeing the strength of the consumer. Earlier in the week, we did see, better than expected GDP numbers, better than expected jobless claims numbers, and this morning we saw PCE numbers kind of heat up a little bit. So starting to look like a potential rate hike is back on the table. I think everybody's going to be still watching the Fed, to see what we're going to see in this next meeting. But yeah, going forward, I mean, I certainly think that it's possible we could see a rally, especially if we're still seeing a strong consumer.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right. And like I mentioned, if we do see a close out above that 42.27 and a quarter, I think that's where you'll start seeing people, get real excited about this market, and you might see some more buyers step in. And just 100 points higher, that 43.27 is going to be another big level that we'll have to see kind of where we firm out at.
Absolutely. And we still have yet to see, some of the trickle-down effects from some of these rate hikes. As we have seen some of the regionals, collapse, we've still seen the strength from the consumer. So all eyes will be on the Fed. That's what we're watching on the technical and fundamental side of things. We hope you guys have a great Memorial Day weekend.